How to add music to Facebook post. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook post. Whether it's a photo or video, adding music makes your post stand out. So let's jump right in. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, let's move to the next step. Now, simply tap on what's on your mind box to create a new post. Now you can add a photo, video, or just text to your post. Here, let's add some photos. Now, once you've chosen your picture, here at the top you can simply find a music icon which says add music. Simply tap on that. Now here you can search for a specific song or browse through trending music. Search for the song that you want to add or browse the popular or genre section. Now let me choose one song. Simply tap on. Now once you've chosen your song, simply click on next. Now you can also choose the part of the song that you want to sing. You can simply scroll like this and simply choose the part of the song that you prefer. Once everything looks good, simply tap on post and you're done. Your friends will hear the music along with your photo or video, and that's it. You've just added music to your Facebook post.